My name's Connor Boyd. My startup is Goldbox, which is a meal prep startup that we are looking to partner with colleges to get the college students and specifically the college athletes the right nutrition that they need in order to succeed and be healthy throughout their entire semester or a couple semesters if they keep doing this. But no, for the week, for presentation four, we're going to go over the problems and the solutions. What this startup may run into when trying to build this up, and how to fix that, and how to go about that through the next slides. So problems that we could run into is limited demand, inventory management, food safety, and delivery logistics. We may face some of these problems, such as limited demand, because if we target a tight niche group, or it's already a crowded market with HelloFresh and all those already established players in the industry. But I feel like we have an advantage by teaming up with certain colleges and trying to expand our horizon and expand to each college throughout the state, and then eventually go to another state. Inventory management. We really want to ensure that the ingredients are available to make the meals, because we don't want to have a food shortage and run out of inventory, which is a big thing. And it's a little challenging, particularly if the startup is experiencing fluctuating demand or has a limited budget. Food safety is a really big one, with obviously meal prepping, because we really want to make sure that we have fresh food for our clients, and it's not frozen or any of that. And delivery logistics is another big problem. So some solutions to our problems is definitely a diversity in our menu. We really want to make sure that we not only just have like one thing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We want to have multiple things that people can choose from, along with appealing to the pescatarians, the vegetarians, all those people. Partnering with colleges is a big thing. That's where our whole business is. We're really trying to partner with colleges throughout each state. Just-in-time delivery system for the inventory management. Just-in-time delivery system is where ingredients are ordered as needed, so they don't go to waste. Also, partnering with local food markets or local farms to source fresh ingredients at lower prices is also a big thing. Especially with having at lower prices, we can definitely increase our price, so it's cheaper for students to go throughout their week, so they're only spending $3 to $4 a meal instead of $10 a meal. Invest in proper training. This has to go with the food safety. That's a big thing, because investing in proper training for our employees on like handling food and preparation, use food grade packaging and storage materials, implement a quality control system to monitor the safety and quality of the meals is a big one. Partner with local markets and everything, and then invest in a reliable delivery system. I think is a really big thing, because these are going to be fresh meals, so we really want to get in and out and make sure that they're as fresh as possible for students, so they don't go bad just in case they forget they have them. Which I think is a very big thing, which we want to be partnering with local delivery services, or limit the delivery area to a specific radius to minimize delivery costs and time. So if we could maybe partner with the school and just send everything to the school all at once, and then have people come pick their their packages up, that I think that would be a really key thing to solve that problem. But yeah, these are the solutions. Thank you.